Good morning, everyone. Hambo here. So I'm going to talk about passive income and specifically through my M1 Roth IRA today. I will show you how, a relatively small account so far for a Roth, but I'm already generating over $100 per month in this account, and it will only go up. So let's get into this account. So as you can see, my all is I'm currently at over $1,500 total gain, which is 10%, which is awesome for this Roth, which I only started about 4 or 5 months ago, and I made over $550 in earned dividends. So over 5 months, that is over $100, about $110 per month, and currently I'm at $101. So it will only go up. Like I said, I diversified a little bit in my account. I was originally, had all my eggs in one or two baskets, and the dividend was better, but I would rather, this is going to be better in the long term because it's going to compound more. I'm going to get paid more often having the extra earned dividends, compounding and earning dividends at a better rate than if I just had one or two, because the compounding effect wouldn't be as often, if that makes sense. So let's go into the activity. The activity so far hasn't really been much in a while. I was depositing $200 every week, and that stopped July 17th. But if you've seen some of my other videos, I'm kind of not making any deposits currently because of, I'm currently buying a home in North Carolina and selling a home in Seattle. And I just want the money for the home in North Carolina, and as it turns out, the money for the Seattle home. I've been hitting some roadblocks the last two weeks. I have to replace the septic there, which is not going to be cheap, and I just have a nightmare of a real estate agent in Seattle. She has turned out to be just a absolute useless joke, but I don't even want to get into that. That's maybe another video for another time. But I'll be glad when it's over with, because especially with me not being in Seattle, I almost feel like flying to Seattle and showing up at her doorstep, because she is doing absolute nothing, and she's gonna kill this sale because of the septic issues and redoing the contract and everything. But again, this video is not on that. So as you can see, the activity, I haven't done much lately. I haven't had any dividends hit recently. Stag, Realty-O, PBA were my last 3 dividends that hit, and those were all in July. So the holdings currently, I got rid of my index fund, so I'm just having monthly and quarterly dividends on this account. My tax-free account, I have all those indexes there, and so for my IRA account, I want to stay away from those. I might add a few more quarterlies. I want to get this account where it's just consistently moving up in dividends. So as you can see, these are my 10 holdings is all I got. I got roughly half in quarterly, half in monthly, and Starbucks has been on fire lately. It's kind of went down the last couple days, but as you can see, I'm up over $300 just in Starbucks. And some of these others. When you look in holdings, this doesn't factor in the dividends in there. So like you see, $74 down in O. So let's look at it in detail, and you'll see that it's not $74 down. See, it's only $32 down because it's had $40 in dividends. So just realize that when you're looking at your holdings, it's not a true account of what your actual profits or gains or losses are currently in there. So if you do, today is the last day of the month. If you guys are on the fence about M1 Finance, you've already done your due diligence, and you decided you want to get into it, today's the last day of the promotion where you can get $20 added to your account with a $100 deposit. So that's a 20% gain on your money right away. And for transparency, I will get that $20 too. So if you are on the fence and you've done your due diligence, because like I said, this is my account, and I want you to do your research before you put your money into it. But if you've done all that, and you want to get in, I'd appreciate you use the link. It does help the channel and help me create more videos on different investing subjects. So yeah, I plan on funding this account a little bit more. I have another $1,000 I can invest this year into it because the IRA, you are capped. But I've said it before, if you guys are considering doing an IRA, do it as soon as you can. I waited quite a bit in life to do it. I mean, I got my 401k at work. I got different investments, but I didn't do my individual retirement account on my own until just 2 years ago. And it is one of the best investments you can do, especially with dividend compounding investments, getting all that passive income. Sure, you can't withdraw it right away, but when you do withdraw it and you're eligible to withdraw it for retirement, that is all tax-free money, and you cannot beat that. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I always appreciate the support. And please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you will be notified of all my future videos. I appreciate. I'm going to probably do a video tomorrow on Lending Club. And it'll just be an update video. For those of you that have stayed with my videos and you watch, you know I'm not a big fan of Lending Club anymore. It's been a good investment. Now I'm still making, over 9% as a whole on the investment. So overall it's been good, but it's just not a viable investment that I consider. I just don't like it. I was trying to come up with some fancy word, but no, it's just not my investment strategy. It doesn't fit in well with that. So anyways, take care. Happy investing out there. Bye.